Welcome to your Cyber Tips Explainer, where we make everyday people understand the cyber world around us. So here's the big question. Could one person really cause a billion-dollar disaster?
Well, in the high-stakes world of digital assets, the answer is a pretty terrifying yes.
Seriously, think about it. One bad insider, one simple mistake, and the whole thing could just collapse. These single points of failure are an absolute nightmare. So how do big institutions stop it? Well, they use a powerful and kind of simple idea. It's called the 4 eyes rule. Basically, any critical action needs approval from at least 2 separate people. So simple, right?
And this isn't just a suggestion, it's a super strict protocol. One person approves, then another, independently.
Yeah, think of it like a high-security vault, the kind that needs 2 separate keys to open.
So one person alone can never open that door. Not by accident, and not on purpose. It's a total game changer for managing risk. It helps prevent insider threats and catastrophic human error. So you see, this isn't just about stopping theft. It's about building trust right into the system.
It's a core principle for crypto exchanges, banks, even the military, protecting their most sensitive assets.
Which brings us to a really important question you should ask about the platforms you use. Binge on our playlists on a marathon watch to become a cybersecurity expert. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like and share our videos with someone you deeply care about to have a foolproof cyber defense.